Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the C, drive, and path so the system can locate Riot files. Run chkdsk or check disk management to ensure no disk errors. This prevents false missing file errors. Next, open Explorer and navigate to C/Riot Games. If the folder is present, copy the full path into Notepad. Once done, make sure you have admin access to the folder. Lacking permissions often blocks the system from resolving the path, even when files exist. Now repair the pointer's Windows uses. Right-click the Riot shortcut, choose Properties, and confirm the target matches C/Riot Games \game executable. exe, fix any mismatches and apply. Then open Regedit and check keys under HKey local machine \software and HKey current user for Riot or League entries. Ensure install path points to C/Riot Games. If keys are wrong or missing, run the Riot installer in repair mode or reinstall. Finish by fixing permissions and confirming services so Windows can access the files. Right-click C/Riot Games, go to Security and grant administrators and system full control. Apply to subfolders. Then open services and verify Riot-related services or Vanguard are running. Start them if needed. Restart the PC to apply changes. If the issue persists, open Event Viewer to capture error codes or file names. That one troubleshooting tip points you to the exact failure, so you can target a precise fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.